Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just get
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm so close.
on the building.
Oh no, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I made it. I made it. I'm so scared though. Let me. I'm just having some tea.
Oh my god. Whatever you do, do not point the hammer towards the building because I think that will just go like boing and send you off.
Yeah, no, you are absolutely right. So I'm gonna. No, 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 no.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. First rock, first rock. Slowly, slowly. You already did this.
Yeah.
I've already done it. I've actually done it before now. Okay.
You done it, yes.
Oh my god! This is the biggest revelation of all. The fact that I can actually put my hammer up here. Because I thought it was too steep. I thought I would just have to like ascend it. Like some kind of a slippery boy.
See? That became
I'm
something that you do in less than 20 seconds.
I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
Consistency.
Okay, cry. Come
Let's
on,
go.
come on, cry.
We love
Let
to
me hear
see
that. Let me
it.
hear that though. It's gonna be my present. Come on. Remember to check your angle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Marge, I think I'm gonna pass out. Homer!
I'm gonna be real. You sounded more like Scooby-Doo than you did Homer Simpson.
Reggie, I'm running over it. Like, Scoob, I think we've been stuck on Orange Hill for the past 4.5 hours, Scoob.
Yes.
Okay, I gotta wipe my hands. I gotta wipe my hands. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm hyperventilating. Oh my god.